Okay, so I just finished watching this show called Mafia on Z5, and I cannot tell you how good it was. I mean, I had to come live and I had to tell you all about it because I just couldn't resist. It was so good. I mean, so today I was scrolling on Z5's page to see what to watch. I'm always looking for new stuff to watch. And I put on this show trailer, and the trailer itself was so crazy that I had to watch it. And honestly, my mind is blown. So it's a show called Mafia. It has 8 episodes, and I mean, do you guys know the game Mafia that we used to play when we were kids? So that is actually what attracted me to watching this, because as a kid growing up in college, I used to play this game Mafia, and all we wanted to know all day was who's the real Mafia. And when I saw Mafia on Z5, I was like, is this about mafias or is it about the game? So I clicked on the trailer, and oh my god, it just was so much thriller, so much suspense, so much mystery that I couldn't stop myself from watching it. Guys, you have to watch the show. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It came out today itself. It's just 8 episodes and around 35 minutes each episode. Oof, so good. Hey guys, hey Lavish King, hey Shilpa. I mean, I seriously came live just to tell you guys this. Because I was so excited, and it does get very dark. It gets like all my nails are bitten because I was watching it with so much interest, and it gets a little there's a lot of suspense, there's a lot of mystery, so you're always at the edge. And I mean, I have to tell you, you will not blink. You cannot blink in a show like this. It was so good that I finished a show in a day. Hey sweetie, hi Shasha. What are you guys watching these days? I'm rewatching Fitrat on Z5, and that's actually how I came to scrolling on Z5, and I found this gem of a show that I watched today. It was so good, I cannot even tell you. Gigi, Fitrat. You watched Fitrat, I'm so happy. Watch Mafia on Z5, it's actually really good. Sahir, you have to watch Mafia on Z5. It is so good. It is like, there's so much thriller, there's so much mystery. You love it. I mean, these days I'm so much into thrillers and mystery that this just really blew my mind. It was actually something that I was looking forward to watching. And so it's a bunch of college kids that reunite after a few years, and all the stuff that goes down after they reunite. I want to tell you all so much, but I don't want to give out any spoilers, so I'm not gonna say much about it. But you guys have to catch it on the weekend. I mean, we have a whole weekend that we can binge watch. So binge watch some good content on Z5. I think this is one of their best shows. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I cannot even tell you. I mean, just a heads up, you're not going to be able to get up all day. So please go watch Mafia and tell me how you liked it, because I would really want to know. I mean, imagine I finished watching it and the first thing I wanted to do is come live and talk to you guys and tell you all about it. So you have to watch it and you have to tell me if you liked it or not. Hi Swati. Hey Adi. Hi Nitin. What's up? What shows have you all been watching, guys, on Z5? Because I'm obsessed with Z5. I'm actually obsessed because I cannot tell you how good the show was. Thank you so much. Love from Nepal. Adi, you must watch Mafia. You will forget every other show. It is actually so good. And I mean, you will not want to stop it or pause it till you don't realize what's happening with each one of these people's stories. So there are a bunch of friends and they reunite after college, after a few years after college. And there's like everyone's story unveiling. It's so interesting. It is dark. It's scary. It's not scary as such. It's just like keeps you on the edge, and you're just like, who's the real mafia? Mom, you have to watch Mafia. You have to watch Mafia. My mom's here, guys. Say hello. As much as I'm obsessed with Mafia, Adi is obsessed with some other shows. Sorted scene, crystal clear. Nitin, yes, you have to watch it. It's superb. I play Mafia. Even I played Mafia, Adi, when I was a kid. It actually, I mean, now we play Wolf, which is pretty similar, but we played Mafia growing up, and I couldn't, like, I always wanted to know who was the real Mafia. And in the show as well, you will just want to know who's the real Mafia. And you will keep thinking, is this the real Mafia? And you will keep doubting everyone. You'll end up killing people that are not the Mafia. So, superb. Thank you, guys. I hope, yes, Shraddha, it's good. You have to put on Z5 and watch Mafia. Hey Rahman Sheikh, I watched Fitrat. Thanks, Mish. Mish116. मैं नहीं मानता. अरे मानने की कोई बात ही नहीं है. जाके देख लीजिए फिर मानोगे. मेरी बात मत मानो, जाके देख के बताओ मुझे. Actually, after you guys watch it, DM me on what you all thought, because I'm telling you, I had to come live to share this news with you also. I must have really loved it. Yes, Mafia is too good. Heerpreet 1908. Did you watch it already? It literally released today. And there are 8 episodes. I thought I was the fastest and I finished it like this, but you beat me to it. Heer. Thank you, Sangam. You guys are so sweet. Hi, Uma Priya. It's really awesome. Quotes feeling 08. I cannot believe so many of you. Actually, I can believe that so many of you have watched it, because the trailer itself makes you feel like you want to watch it, because you want to know who the real Mafia is, especially if you've played the game, or even if you've not played the game. But if you've played the game growing up, you relate to it a little more, and you want to know who the real Mafia is, because I used to always end up believing everyone and killing the wrong Mafia. So don't do that in the show. निखिल चौरासिया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Yes. What episode are you on? GG, Adi, I want to sell my food. Adi, let's make... You guys, I order food every day, and today I ordered some South Indian food while I was watching. I couldn't even get up to cook. I thought I'd cook something today, but I have not done any ghar ka kaam. I have not cooked. I have not moved. I have not blinked watching the show. I'm so overwhelmed. I finished 8 episodes in a day, and the first thing I want to do is come and tell you guys. So, guys, you have to watch Mafia. It's on Z5. When you go on Z5, probably you would see the trailer or the picture of Mafia. Just click on it and watch the trailer. If you like the trailer, watch the show. There are just 8 episodes. You'll finish it so fast, just like I did. And I know you'll finish it fast because you all won't want to shut it. It is so you're just so hooked on. It is so good. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Look at my nails. I don't have nails anymore, biting them. But I've just come to tell you all this. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe, staying at home, and binge watching. Spend your weekend binge watching Mafia on Z5, and just everything binging, like binge eating. See you guys. Love you all. Thanks, Isha.